This is a restaurant analytics solution designed for restaurant business owners to analyze their data and manage their business performance from one central platform. This solution combines data entry together with interactive dashboard that updates in real time and documentation on how the system works, also ongoing support, helping the restaurant business owners to be able to monitor performance of his business and be able to make smarter business decisions. Let's see how it works. When you click on this part, it opens up Google Spreadsheet. Your staff can easily enter daily sales, expenses, inventory, and other business record using the simple Google Sheets interface. As new data is entered, the analytics dashboard updates automatically, giving management access to the latest business insights. Let's look at the analytics dashboard. So when you click on this open dashboard, this dashboard was built using Google Data Studio, which is free to use without any license cost. You can view this in a larger scale by clicking on the present mode to show the present mode. Then click on escape to go back to default view. This dashboard refreshes automatically as you add your data to the Google Sheets connected I showed earlier. You can share this dashboard by clicking on this just like you would do for any Google products. This dashboard gives the restaurant owner a complete view of how their business is performing. At the top here, you can see your key KPIs at a glance. You have the total revenue, the number of customers served, average customer spend, food cost, labor cost, and your operating margin. The monthly revenue trend helps you to identify growth patterns as well as declining sales early so you can take action before small issues become major problems. If you're operating in multiple branches, you can be able to compare your revenue and profitability across locations so that you know the high-performing restaurant locations that you have. You can also monitor your food costs and labor costs over time, helping you to detect rising expenses. The revenue by channel breaks down sales from dining, delivery, and takeout, giving you a better understanding of your customer ordering behavior. The menu category analysis also highlights best and worst performing categories, helping you to optimize your menu in order to serve your customers better and make profit while doing that. Then finally, you have the day of the week analysis that helps you to know the busiest and slowest days in order to effectively schedule your staff and plan promotions for optimal performance. Together, these insights help the restaurant owner make faster data-driven decisions that improve profitability and overall business performance. The solution also comes with documentation so that a video documentation on YouTube that you can use to understand better how to use the dashboard. And of course, ongoing support. You can always reach out to us. And if you'd like to add additional features to this, you can click on contact support to reach out to Ditachi Analytics. If you want this solution for your business, click the link below to get the ready-to-use template that you can set up using your Gmail account. If you want to build a custom one for your business, reach out to us using this details that you can see on your screen, as well as in the description below to reach out to Ditachi Analytics. Thank you for watching. Like and follow for more. Bye.